Hey guys, welcome to another episode here in Project DIY. Today we're gonna do a spark plug replacement on a 2010 Honda Crosstour or Accord Crosstour. This process is very straightforward. You can see here where the three set of the spark plugs are, because as you can see, the engine is a V shape like this. So you got three over here, and you got three on the other side. It's gonna be my first time to change the spark plugs on this car, so just bear with me. So for what I can see, is pretty straightforward here. Basically, got the two little tabs here. You just unscrew them, and then you just pop it off. Leave this here on the side. Then we got a, what did I use here? It's a 10mm for this little screws here. So you're gonna do on all the spark plugs. Same thing on the other side. The other side, you can remove this if you want to have more space. This bar here, you can remove this too. I'm gonna try without removing these two. See, maybe I can do it this way. If not, you'll see, and you probably can get a better idea. Alrighty, so let's get started. So what I did do, I am gonna release this because I can work on it. Okay, now to pull up each spark plug out, we're gonna use a 5/8. Looks pretty bad to me. Alrighty, so this is basically it. Very straightforward. Now let's go to the test. So as we can see, well, you can't really make the difference right now because I didn't show you the before I did the exchange. What it did, the engine was running very rough. Basically it was like bouncing back and forth. It was really scary actually. I thought there was something seriously wrong with the engine, but then I thought, well, let's give me a shot and give it let me replace the spark plug, and voila, knock on wood, it was only a spark plug problem. So yeah, if you have the same problem, if you have a Honda Accord Crosstour, and if your Honda is bouncing around or very shaky, very roughly in idle, then yeah, do the first thing, change the spark plug. That might be it. Thank you guys for watching.